an adorable dog, Kaylee. Cute patootie. You are very cute, Kaylee, aren't you? Oh. Huh. Smell something, Kaylee? What do you smell? Is there an animal in there? My dog always smells in this typical location because there's always a lot of animals, a lot of kitten things, and a lot of other mysterious nature animals. One time there was even a coyote here, so there used to be so much a lot of things that happened in this township. It's one quiet township. See, no cars, no nothing. Just walking my dog here peacefully.